some and stay there
I'm gonna let
because
y'all know y'all ain't gonna see me in no shorts this summer or spring because I get hot really quick. Y'all see me in the DJ booth sweating.
Yeah, you
I
do.
Sweat easy.
You
Yeah,
sweat profusely in the DJ booth. Sweating profusely in the booth.
It's a hot box in there.
It is. That's why I say shout out to the DJ always because you in there, 58 buttons and this, that, and your laptop and this, that, and I'm like stand over there so I can catch you in the shot.
I'm saying that what you do in here, the way you just the topics that we speak about, and the way you communicate with everyone that's watching, that is what makes this show so special.
Oh, thank you.
I really appreciate you.
Listen, it works cohesively.
All of you.
Definitely. All of you guys are amazing for watching us, tuning in with us every single Tuesday. We always appreciate the love. We love you for watching, and, we love to come back and deliver some great things. So, our March show, we're definitely going to open it up with a bang. So we'll be talking about that soon.
Mm-hmm. Now, how are we going to end off this show? Do you want certain songs played? Do you want to go that route? You want to end up with a good conversation piece and leave it for next week? Or you want to talk about lace fronts?
I'm going to let you decide. If you want to touch on lace fronts, I'm happy to do that.
Back on lace fronts then.
Okay, all right. Because it seems like it's important.
Like I said, this where the lace front started.
Yes.
And what was all of this? And she just had
baby
it all
hairs.
I didn't know. She didn't have no damn baby hairs.
Right.
That was her real
it's
hair.
the fake one.
Yeah, and that shit was sliding off. I was just like, my man, if I'm noticing
Was it in a bun?
No, it was like, it looked like a wig. I'm a dude, so I really can't explain it. It looked like a wig, but if I seen it, it was just something wrong. It was just something wrong.
Ladies, take your hairstyles and stuff seriously. First of all, take care of your hair. Ciara is a hairstylist. My boy Terrence is a hairstylist. It's all about caring for your hair, number one. Even if you color it, I obviously color it. I don't have purple hair. Normally, I wish I was born with this color. I've had people ask me that, oddly enough.
Well, I said, what the hell
It makes me just want to be like, yes. Sure.
Perfect.
Yeah, right. Perfectly purple.
You can't achieve it. You can't achieve it.
If you dream it, you can believe it and achieve it, right? So, it's just important to pay attention to your hair and take good care of it because it's going to be with you a lifetime. So when you break it off and then throw a wig on over it, people are noticing. If you're going to throw a wig on, make it a good wig. Ciara makes wigs. Terrence makes wigs. Get a wig where you're going to get a wig?
Yeah, so one day when my hair's growing, I'm going to get a wig.
What kind of wig are you going to pull out, DJ FMI? Ciara?
That has waves on it.
He wants a wave wig.
Yeah,
I need you to bring that in for us.
It's the quality. If women can wear wigs, God damn it, I'm going to be damned.
Men already are. There's faux man buns. You haven't seen that?
I can't pull a man bun.
Oh, man. I'm going to have to send you some pictures of things, and then we'll just reapproach it again.
I've been trying to figure out what
man buns, fake beard.
I see the fake beard. I need that. That's all I got. Yo, I be trying, man. I be trying. People see it, and then I'm like, yo, nah, bro. This what I'm doing.
A dude doing that. Yo, there was like a thuggish rugged fucking bone looking dude, real short, baggy clothes. No. No.
Okay, I'm sorry. I was trying to help that dude out.
On the train this morning as I was traveling back from dropping the kids, and he's got his shades on, his hoodie, watching his thing. Out he pulls a mirror, checks his reflection, puts his chapstick back on. Oh. This was halfway through the ride.
He had a mirror? Niggas walk around with mirrors. Hold on, bro. Yo, nigga, let me in my mirror real quick.
That's what I said. I said, what the fuck is going on? Look, got him on the wave wig. You goody.
See? I told you to get wave wig. I'm always have to.
You're gonna definitely get that wave wig.
Told you. Kill it.
But wait, it wasn't just once. That was halfway through the ride because the ride is long, and we were together for a while. One more go. One more again. He had to pull that mirror out one more again before he got off the train. Check it out.
Was he checking the beard?
But it wasn't even like that. No, I don't know. The lips, make sure nothing's on the face. If he
had a hoodie on, you can't see the hair anyway. I was just thinking.
Nah, he was just on the... And I was like, homeboys with mirrors.
Why you gotta be a homeboy? Why can't be brothers?
Because it was all very homeboyish.
Oh, yeah. Oh, all right.
It was very homeboy.
He was just thugged out like that. All right.
Boom, boom.
Was his clothes baggy?
super
That don't
duper
make no damn
whooper
sense.
1994 baggy.
That don't make no sense.
Yes.
That,
Crisscross baggy.
God damn.
Yes. Jump baggy.
Hold on.
Jabot and Boss jeans baggy.
She brought it back.
Yes.
Hold on. All right. So let me ask you something. What was the craziest experience
I
or
love you,
thing
mama.
you had or seen on the train that you experienced or?
Oh gosh. Oh, I'll tell you. And this shit was a violation too. I wanted to kick this nigga in his nuts. This dude going home from this concert at one of the artists. I don't know if you saw them perform or not, because we've been all over the place. But I went out to watch them in Queens, and I was coming back on the train, and this dude was just like, was looking at me, and went over to the corner, and jerked off in the corner. At like 2 in the morning on the train.
Were you by yourself, or?
Now, there were a couple of people on the train, but I mean, if he would have come over there, it was about to be, I was about to fuck his ass up. You understand me? If he came close to me, and he never did. The only time he was close was when he came on this way. No, sir, you have to understand.
Definitely saying someone shaved their bald head on the bus.
Wow.
The weirdest
on
thing.
The bus.
The weirdest thing I ever had.
Where did they take the hair off the razor?
I
Did they have
don't know.
a bowl with water?
It was flicked on the side of the seat. Just gave a mouse.
But you got to be able to rinse that water, that hair out. Those hair chips. Because those are hair chips.
If he had a mirror, I bet he got it done. If you had a mirror.
Like the homeboy.
OG homeboy.
OG with the mirror.
Well,
I said, wow.
The weirdest thing I experienced
That's what we're doing.
on MTA was I was like maybe in like 4th grade.
Okay.
And I was riding around with my sister because she had to pick me up from school. She hated that because she was a teenager. So she wanted to just talk to boys and be cool.
Right.
So with that being said, my sister's sitting down on the bus, you know, and there was a guy holding on in front of her. My man, when I told you, I'm going to hit y'all with the no homo, you feel me? But when I told you, this motherfucker got the hardest hard on.
Oh, no.
Why my sister feel like this?
No.
Yeah, my sister said, excuse me, sir, excuse me. And
Right, get that
she was like, yo,
out of my
excuse me, sir.
face.
Yeah, yo. He was
That's
sitting there just
crazy.
silent. Wow. Like, it wasn't hiding it either. Just, and he was wearing sweatpants, so it just
You
came up and rolled.
that's what
like,
I'm
nah,
saying.
bro.
And the sweatpants. That's slut attire for men. Those gray sweats, by the way. That's like a woman going out in her lingerie. A man that's well endowed with light gray sweatpants. If you agree with me, ladies. Any of them. Even the loose-fitting ones. Or basketball shorts with no underwear.
That's damn nasty. I hate people. Yo. That shit bothers me so fucking much.
It happens.
I hate when I see...
But just like, you know, the women are letting it out. The men are letting it out. Like, here it is.
Yo, but...
Here it go.
No. What I hate is that when I seen people wearing jeans, sagging, and then got basketball shorts underneath, I'm like, my man, you got basketball
Those are the
shorts.
dudes that are mad skinny.
Yeah, you're right.
They're trying to build layers of
thickness.
they're trying to build thickness.
First off, you're sweating on your legs. You're sweating around your sack area. No homo, my man.
That's gonna be a cheese fest.
Yeah, you
yes.
don't do that, my guy. And then they think they cool too. Then they gonna lay their bare ass butt cheeks on the same seat.
No, that's
I'm like,
disgusting.
nah, bro, I can't do this shit.
It's 10 o'clock, my love. So we definitely got to sign off. But we had a lot of fun tonight. We got a lot of stuff coming up next month. So, guys, follow along on VPR Radio, on Facebook. Go and like the page. Go and like my boy DJ FMI. Follow him on Twitter, Instagram, all of it. Qiana the Goddess. You know where to find me. Thank you for watching. We love you. We always have a blast. And the night is gone like this. So thank you for joining us. Thank you for partying with us and having a great time. We love having you here. Make sure you join us again. Make sure you share every single Tuesday, 8 to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. VPR Radio. We out.
Go.
That should be, right?
That's the one.